In this video, you'll find an ingenious method to uncover targeted buyer keywords, and it's fast, easy, and free. Hi, I'm AIL for feeds.com and welcome to the channel. First, open an AI chat platform like Claude or ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT for this example. Also, open your custom sidebar page in a sidebar using a free browser plugin for Chrome and Firefox. See details below to get them now for free. Step 1 is optional. Create an info box. An info box is just a very effective method to get AI to respond in a way so that it has very specific info to concentrate on. Click on the Based On button. Then enter the content of a page by pasting, uploading, or giving a URL. This can be your own content, your web page, a high-ranking web page for your selected keyword phrase, etc. Copy the work area and paste it into the AI chat platform. Submit and get the results. Step 2. Clear the work area. Then click on the One Discover Buyer Keywords button. Look for this text and modify it as needed. List 20 keywords for people searching to buy insert keyword. I will use puppy training tools as an example. If you created an info box in step 1, you may want to modify the prompt to something like, based on the content above, list 20 keywords for people searching to buy puppy training tools that are the best matches for the content given. Copy the work area and paste it into the AI chat platform. Step 3. Clear the work area. Then expand the list of keywords with buyer intent using the alphabet soup method. This creates an impressive list of keywords with buyer intent directly related to the content we give in our info boxes, which is the content we fed to AI in the optional step 1. Step 4 is also optional. Open the keywords, methods, buttons, and swap alphabet soup method for something else. I doubt if AI is smart enough to know what many of these are, but it is worthwhile to experiment and check various results that different keyword methods may give. Now you have a transformative list of buyer keywords to build content for and spotlight products people are actually searching for to buy that precisely match your content. I put together everything you need for this method, plus many more AI content methods, and they are all free. People with an IQ higher than plant life are hurrying to get their own custom sidebar page. It's free and easy. Get yours now.